Hi fam, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please make sure to subscribe, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you for coming back. Thank you for clicking again and taking your time to watch my video. Today it's gonna be a hectic day, a little bit. We are going to the doctor. We are actually taking our goat, me and my husband. We are taking our goat to the doctor. It has something on the eye. I don't know what it is, but it has been a while, so we decided to go to the doctor. And since we are going to the doctor, I also thought I might as well make my stock brand here in the north. I didn't know if they make here, because the last time I remember, I think it was 2014 when I used to work for veterinary, Ondangwa Veterinary. So people were not making stock brands in the north. So yeah, since now we are going to the doctor to take our goat, I might as well just make my stock brand here in the north, and I'll tell you the procedures. I forgot what are the procedures or what are the requirements to make or to open your stock brand. I totally forgot. It's like I never worked for Ministry of Agriculture. I totally forgot everything. But anyways, I'll update you guys. I'll come back and continue and give you the procedures. Also, in case you have your goat with the same problem, I will tell you the price and what do you need to do and all that. Let me show you our goat. See, it has something on the eye. It looks really bad. I don't know what it is, but it has something on the eye. So yeah, we are taking it to the doctor. Maybe the doctor will just remove it. My husband went there yesterday, and then they said we can take the goat there. So yeah, we are taking it there, and hopefully it will get well. See how big it is. It's a big goat, so we can't let it die. Just in case you don't know where is Ondangwa Veterinary Office, it's just around here. There is Ondangwa Private Hospital. So immediately, if you're coming from FNB, you see Ondangwa Private Hospital, and then you come straight, you will see Ondangwa Veterinary Office right here. It's been written there. I don't know if you can see, but it's just around the corner. We just arrived now here at Ondangwa Veterinary Office. My husband went inside to get the doctor. If you can see, that's the hospital or the office behind me. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, I'll be just chilling here with our goat while we are waiting for the doctor to come, and then I can go inside to make as well my stock brand. I don't know how much they charge and what are the requirements. I totally forgot, but yeah, I'll update you guys once I know the requirements and the price as well. Also the fees of the goat, we don't know how much they charge, the operation or whatever they are going to do to it, but I'll update you guys, so just stay tuned. I'll come with more information.
The growth.
In September.
Would you not serious and Ikombo? It's very rare. I'm noticing what she mashing up. Mashiri.
Yote za pumbo tunashakura mbona.
I told you guys I used to work here. Here is me and the doctor. I think we were injecting a puppy. Here is me. That was 2014. I was a baby. Well, our goat feels better now. They removed the thing that was on the eye. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's not longer there, and I think she's sleeping. She feels better. Now we are done with the doctor. We just came here by the pharmacy to get the medicine. Anyways, the fees, we paid 200 for the surgery, because they had to operate on her, so it was 200. I don't know how much the medicine gonna ask, but it's written spray what. So yeah, I don't know how much it will cost, but my husband went to buy the medicine while I'm looking after her. So yeah, when we are done now, we'll just go home. And about the stock Brent, I'll tell you about the stock Brent. About the stock Brent, I decided I'm just gonna do my stock Brent in Windhoek, because here in the north they make, here you can as well do it, but it takes longer because they still have to send the things to Windhoek. So it doesn't make any sense if I'm going back to Windhoek in 1 week time, I think. Yeah, next week I'm going back to Windhoek, so it doesn't make any sense making it here in the north, and by the time it will come I won't be here in the north. So I'll just go make it in Windhoek and get it the same day. I think you get it the same day in Windhoek or after 2 days, which is way better, but the price is gonna be different. I was gonna be lucky this year, because this year it's just 147 to start the new one, but next year the fees will increase with few dollars. It will be $152. So next year I will pay 152 to make my stock Brent. And anyways, who said women can't own stock Brent? You don't have to wait until we have 20 kettles. You can start with your one. You just need to know, because they ask things like where are your animals, so you need to know the place. And about money, you pay it directly to Namibia Meat Board account, which is yes, you get the account number from veterinary office, and then you just deposit. When you go to the to Meat Board, you go with your 2 certified copies and with the proof of payment, the deposit proof that you deposit the money into the account, and that's it. You should just know where your animals are, because that's where they will be getting the vaccine. Yeah, so you need to know the place and the region. Yeah, but they don't say no, you are a woman, what you can't have it. If I can have it, you should have it as well. Don't wait until you have 10 or 20. Just go with your 1 cow. It's okay, and then you start. I hope you find this information very important and useful, and thank you for watching. It was kind of short, but I hope you enjoyed it. I will come with more videos. Stay tuned, and please don't forget to share this video. Give it a like if you like it, and I'm sure you will love it, because I anyways shared important information. So please give it a thumb, and thank you for watching. Until next time, see you. This is the medicine we got from the pharmacy. How much was it? Costed 156.78 cents. We'll just spray on the eye. Yeah, I think I saw instruction here on how to use it. Directions for use. Yeah. So yeah, this is the medicine we got for her, and hopefully she'll get better. Yeah. Baby.